right, guys, we're gonna take a tour of Stream Virtual Studios. Nate Hall is waiting for us inside. Let's take a look. This is a really cool studio. Nate, what's going
Hey,
on?
welcome to my studio. This is Stream Virtual. Come on in.
I am so excited to be here. I've been following Nate for a while. He's a vMix operator, He's a Stream Deck guy, but he's also got an incredible production studio. Check this out. I was just looking at the control room. This is pretty cool, Nate. Look at this stuff, dude. You've got Zoom. How many computers do you have here?
There's many in this office, but right here we have all our feeds coming in from all over the world. Whether you're from Singapore or the UK, we can bring you in remotely.
Whoa.
We can bring you in high-end feeds with SRT or using our own proprietary software. But if you have like a CEO or somebody that's not comfortable with using new technology, we can bring you in whatever they're comfortable with. Whether it be Zoom, Teams, WebEx, whatever, we can do it here. And then we send all that stuff and we mix it right here on our switcher. So this is where we bring in all our remote feeds and put them together. And then we send those off to the internet to platforms like CVAN or Hopin or Whova, stuff like that. Or we can even go to social media sites like YouTube, Facebook, and we can multi-stream anywhere in the world.
I see you've got vMix running here.
Yeah, I love vMix. We use a variety of different things depending on what is appropriate for jobs. So for like a hybrid show, we might use an ATEM or a Ross switcher or something like that. And other times we might use a TriCaster. But vMix seems to be our go-to for all virtual and hybrid productions. We love it.
Now check out this window over here. This is something that I wanted so badly for our studio. You must have put this in custom, right?
Oh yeah, this wasn't here when we got here, so
I love the window.
we did a lot of soundproofing. We did a lot of work here to make this studio work. Anything we can to make people's live streams and hybrid events work, we did it.
Oh, I see you've got the Behringer X32 and it's got Dante?
Yeah, we went with this board because it was easy to use. Everybody knows it.
Yeah.
And the Dante was just the kicker. And we actually got the Dante card when they were sold out during the pandemic. Somehow our Sweetwater guy was like, here you go. So everything here is network based. All the video is NDI. All the audio is Dante. But we do have SDI and XLR backups just in case we ever have an issue. But we never have an issue.
Oh, yeah, exactly. I said, what's SDI? I've never heard of that before. HDMI I use at home, but NDI is really taking over. So this is the meat and potatoes of the... I'm guessing this took more time to
This
build.
was a little bit of work because we have a physical set here. So basically, so if someone wants to do a show here, they can sit down and do a show on our physical set. And the cool thing with that is modular. So the backgrounds can change colors. We have different curtains that wrap around the whole room like an old TV studio, whether you want to do black or gray or tan, we can do that. And if you have a bigger budget, we can have a whole custom set designed just for you on our physical set.
Wow.
But sometimes it's better to do a virtual set, and we'll get in that in a little bit. But on the physical set, you're able to see your confidence monitor, whether you're doing a Zoom presentation. We can see a teleprompter to make sure you're saying the right words. Everything is here set up with Zoom. We can bring in different remote guests. We have a video wall here that you can bring in different feeds and people will be able to see who they're talking to, and we control all that so it's easier for the presenter just to focus on their presentation and not all the technology. So we can take care of all the video and sound when they're doing their
Look
stream.
at this. I love the huge light boxes with this diffusers on here.
Yeah.
So it's not like in-your-face lighting, but it seems like a very even light.
Yeah, that's what we try to do is give you that television quality style lighting, but on a budget that is more in line with a live stream. So it's in between, somewhere between a high produced TV show and a free Zoom call, or somewhere in between there, and that can change depending on what you want to do and how you want to do it. So we use a lot of different robot cameras and stuff like that to save people money. And right over here, we actually have PTZ optics camera.
Nice, you got the new PTZ Optics Move 4K.
Yeah, it is insane video quality. We are loving it. It is spectacular. We're actually using it on a virtual set right now. So if you want to sit down, we could check out the virtual set here.
Ooh,
So
wow, lighting's great.
we do green screen sets, we do virtual sets, whether they be totally custom or full 3D, we can do it all. Right now we're using one of our pre-made ones that we already have that people can do. They can sit down, and we can practically do that for a really low price because it's already made.
I
But
love it.
we have all different types of options here, and all this stuff is portable. So we'll take this anywhere. So it's not just for the studio. We travel. We can turn your lunchroom into this, your conference room. We travel anywhere, where in the world to do this.
Wow. If you guys have questions for Nate, let me know in the comments below. We're going to be stopping by more live streaming studios like this. Everyone's studio is different. Yours is really one of the best we've been to so far. So let us know what you think in the comments below. I'm going to link to Nate's channel on YouTube as well. So let us know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe and like. We'll see you guys in the next video.